How to fix missing chat, menu, and leaderboard buttons in Roblox after update. Welcome back to Technobalta. Today, we delve into a common yet frustrating issue impacting many Roblox players: the sudden disappearance of critical UI elements such as the chat, menu, and leaderboard buttons after a game update. This problem can severely hinder gameplay, turning an immersive experience into a baffling one where essential interactions are impossible. Typically, such post-update anomalies stem from corrupted game files, outdated system components, or conflicts with local system configurations, preventing the game client from properly rendering its interface. Understanding these underlying technical causes is the first step toward implementing effective troubleshooting strategies, and in this guide, we will provide a comprehensive suite of solutions to restore your Roblox experience to its full functionality. Here are 18 deep technical solutions to fix missing UI elements in Roblox. Restart the Roblox client and your PC. Often, temporary glitches in software rendering or memory allocation can cause UI elements to fail loading correctly. A simple restart of the Roblox client can clear its runtime memory and reinitialize the interface. If the problem persists, performing a full system reboot ensures that all system-level processes and cached data are refreshed, potentially resolving underlying operating system conflicts affecting Roblox. Perform a clean reinstallation of Roblox. This is the most frequently recommended solution for deep-seated corruption, as indicated by community feedback. Completely uninstall Roblox through the Windows, Apps and Features menu, then manually delete any remaining Roblox folders in appdata/local and program files, x86. Afterward, download and install the latest client from the official Roblox website to ensure a pristine installation without remnants of old, corrupted files. Clear Roblox cache and temporary files. Corrupted cache files can prevent the client from correctly displaying game assets and UI. Navigate to %localppdta%\Roblox and delete the versions and logs folders, or specifically look for cache folders within the Roblox directory structure. Clearing these temporary files forces Roblox to re-download necessary UI assets, often resolving display issues. Update your graphics drivers. Outdated or corrupted graphics drivers are a primary culprit for rendering issues in games, including UI elements. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, Intel, to download and install the latest stable drivers for your specific graphics card model. A clean installation, often performed using a driver uninstaller utility like DDU, Display Driver Uninstaller, ensures no old driver remnants interfere. Run Roblox in compatibility mode or as administrator. Sometimes, Windows security protocols or compatibility settings can restrict Roblox's ability to access system resources needed for UI rendering. Right-click the Roblox player executable, go to Properties, then Compatibility. Try running the program as an administrator or experimenting with compatibility modes for earlier Windows versions to bypass potential permission conflicts. Check your internet connection and DNS settings. A fluctuating or unstable internet connection can interrupt the loading of UI assets and scripts from Roblox servers. Ensure your connection is stable and consider temporarily switching your DNS server to a public one like Google DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4 or Cloudflare DNS 1.1.1.1. to rule out ISP-related DNS resolution issues impacting content delivery. Disable antivirus/firewall temporarily. Aggressive antivirus software or firewalls can sometimes mistakenly flag Roblox processes or network communications, blocking the game from fully loading its interface. Temporarily disable your security software to see if the UI elements reappear. If they do, configure an exception for Roblox in your antivirus/firewall settings. Verify Windows system files with SFC and DISM. System file corruption within Windows itself can indirectly affect game stability and rendering. Open Command Prompt as an administrator and run sfc/scannow to repair corrupted system files. Follow this with DISM commands, DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health, to repair the Windows component store, ensuring a healthy environment for Roblox. Check Windows updates. An outdated Windows operating system might lack necessary libraries or framework updates that Roblox relies upon for optimal performance and UI rendering. Ensure your Windows installation is fully updated by navigating to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and installing all pending updates. Adjust in-game graphics settings. Sometimes, certain advanced graphics settings in Roblox can conflict with specific hardware or driver versions, leading to rendering glitches. Try lowering your in-game graphics quality settings or experimenting with different display modes, full screen, windowed, to see if the UI elements reappear under less demanding conditions. Check monitor resolution and display scaling. Incorrect display scaling settings in Windows or an unusual monitor resolution can sometimes cause UI elements to render off-screen or become invisible. Verify that your display resolution matches your monitor's native resolution and ensure that Windows display scaling is set to 100% or a recommended value, rather than an arbitrary custom scale. Perform a clean boot. A clean boot starts Windows with a minimal set of drivers and startup programs, helping to identify software conflicts that might be interfering with Roblox. Use config to disable all non-Microsoft services and startup items. If Roblox works correctly in a clean boot environment, systematically re-enable services to pinpoint the conflicting application. Create a new Windows user profile. Corrupted user profile data can sometimes lead to application-specific issues, including problems with Roblox. Create a new local administrator user account in Windows Settings, Accounts, Family, and Other Users. Log into the new profile and install/run Roblox to see if the UI issue persists, indicating a profile-specific problem. Temporarily disable overlay applications. Many gaming applications like Discord overlay, NVIDIA GeForce Experience overlay, or Steam overlay can sometimes conflict with game rendering, especially after updates. Temporarily disable all third-party overlays to determine if they are intercepting or corrupting Roblox's UI rendering process. Verify Roblox Studio functionality, if applicable. If you have Roblox Studio installed, try opening it. If Studio's UI functions normally, it suggests the issue is specific to the Roblox player client. If Studio also exhibits UI issues, it points to a broader problem with Roblox's core files or system compatibility. Check for pending Roblox updates. Sometimes, a partial or failed update can leave the client in an inconsistent state. Ensure Roblox has fully updated itself. If the issue occurred immediately after an update, there might be a subsequent patch available that fixes the initial update's bugs. Relaunching the client several times can trigger pending updates. Examine Roblox log files for errors. Advanced users can inspect Roblox's log files, typically found in %localapdta%\Roblox\logs or within the Roblox versions folder, for specific error messages related to UI loading or rendering failures. These logs can provide critical clues about the root cause of the missing buttons. Roll back a Windows update. In rare cases, a recent Windows update might introduce compatibility issues with Roblox. If the problem began immediately after a Windows update, consider rolling back the problematic update via Settings, Update, and Security, View Update History, Uninstall Updates. Exercise caution with this step, as it can sometimes affect system stability. Don't forget to follow Technobalta for more in-depth technical guides and solutions.